Hi guys, welcome to your library at home. It's me, Elda. I don't know if you just saw Grover in the background, but if you saw Grover on the library videos, you just saw him run through my house. Anyways, welcome to your library at home. Thanks for joining me. Tonight we are going to make mason jar salads. And I'm really excited about this because this is something, like a lot of the programs I've been doing lately, I have been meaning to try. And now that it's nice and warm out, I kind of feel like eating more salads. So let's march into health. What you guys are gonna need tonight. Okay, so this is really simple. I'm gonna go through a couple of the ingredients that you will need. And this is one of those recipes that you can pretty much use whatever in your house. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera down and show you guys. And bear with me because this is a different tripod and it's a little tricky. Okay, there we go. So what we're gonna be making tonight is we're gonna be making 5 different salads. What you're gonna want, I'm gonna make the 16-ounce mason jars tonight. So this is like the perfect single serving. Hi guys, thanks for watching. So 16-ounce is a single serving size. We are going to make 5, so I'm gonna help you guys make lunches for a week, and these will stay good in your refrigerator for 1 full week. So you're gonna need 16-ounce mason jars. If you don't have mason jars and you don't wanna invest a lot of money, my favorite dollar store, they have the 16-ounce jars with the lid. So these are perfect. Okay, so you're gonna need your mason jars. You're going to need protein. So we've got edamame, we've got chickpeas, we've got quinoa, and we've got some chicken. Fun fact. So hi Angie, thanks for watching. Here's a really great thing that you guys can do. So if you're making, shout out to my husband because we were making chicken dinner and I said, can you make a couple extras so I can make mason jar salads? So make your chicken for the week, have your husband make it, throw it on the grill. Keep 1 chicken breast or 2, that'll make you 3 to 4 salads if you want chicken as your protein. So those are all our proteins. I've got feta cheese, I've got mozzarella cheese. We've got the little mozzarella pearls, which, I'm not gonna remember the technical term of these, but these are the best because they're smaller and they won't get soggy in there. We've got some chopped up, and this is what I did, I just chopped up a bunch of veggies. I've got red onion, cucumbers, tomatoes, and I've got some red pepper. So whatever veggies that you guys like to chop up. Also as a protein, we've got sunflower seeds. And just because I really like in my salads, I like the combination of feta cheese, cranberries, red onion, and sunflower. So we've got some of that going on. All right, now I've mixed up all my ingredients here, so I'm not gonna remember which ones go in which jar. So that's the fun of it. You can kind of just go with the flow. So also, we're gonna start with the easiest one. This is the super, if you guys just wanna try this, we've got bag salad. This is just a fun fact. So this is bacon, avocado, chopped ranch salad. So you're going to take your jar, you want 2 tablespoons of high calorie, thanks for watching. If you watch how to do this, you'll be able to do this really easy. It's easier than the sub sandwiches. Okay, 2 tablespoons of dressing. Your dressing is always going to go on the bottom. So we're gonna put our dressing on the bottom. I did forget my spatula, so we're just gonna run with this. You wanna get a spatula, get all your, or measure it out, whichever. So you want your salad dressing on the bottom. We're gonna throw, I didn't have tomatoes it didn't come with tomatoes, but I'm gonna go ahead. Next, you wanna throw your tomatoes. Your tomatoes will sit in your dressing and they will just absorb the salad dressing so they won't get soggy. So you wanna literally go ahead, put your, whatever goes in this layer would be your veggies that would get soft. Hi Emma, thanks for watching. I hope you make these because I'll be happy to know you're eating healthy salads. Okay, so you wanna do that. Then you wanna go ahead. This one came with corn and bacon, like I said. So we're gonna go ahead and we are going to put our salad. This one has all sorts of chopped goodness in it. It's got cabbage, carrots, lettuce, all sorts of healthy greens. So here's our nice healthy greens. You wanna pack this with your greens, okay? Of course, I didn't put a spoon in here either, so probably wanna just push it down real hard with your spoon. And then you're gonna layer it. So now this one comes with, like I said, the fun corn. So we are going to throw our corn in there. And you really wanna pack this. So we're gonna put our corn, we are going to put our bacon, and then we are going to put some shredded cheddar. Now I'm putting the cheddar on the very top too because we don't want that to get soggy. Look at how beautiful that looks. All right, so here you have it. Here is our first lunch, ready to go. See how easy that is? Can you guys see that? So it's layered, your soft veggies on the bottom, and then your salad, which is gonna keep the rest of the things from the salad up from getting soggy. All right, so we've just made one lunch. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna speed make these. So we're gonna go ahead and do, I've got some balsamic. So I'm gonna make 2 Italian dressings at one time. I've got balsamic, and then I've got, okay, you guys. So you can make your own salad dressing. This was super easy. That was Olive Garden Italian. So with my balsamic, both of these, I'm gonna go ahead and add my tomatoes like I did in the other one. So we're gonna add tomatoes right in the dressing. Let it go ahead and absorb that. Okay, next I'm going to add, I like to buy the bag, the containers, the cartons of the lettuce that has all sorts of greens in there. This has red, spinach, romaine, all this goodness mixed in. So just pack that as good as you can. Like I said, that's what's gonna keep your dressing from making the rest of your salad ingredients soggy. So we're just gonna literally push it in, as much of that in there as you can. All right, so we have, let's see, we're gonna go back to this. So I'm gonna switch this one around because on my balsamic one, this is where I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to add some red onion. I'm going to add some mozzarella. Oops, last one, we don't wanna lose any of those. I'm going to add in this one, you know what, and I forgot the chicken. Probably should have put the chicken in before the cheese. So we're gonna make sure we do it right on the last 2. So we've got our chicken as our protein. I am going to add some feta because I love balsamic, cranberries, and feta in my Italian dressing. But you can add Parmesan, you can add cheddar. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put a layer of cranberries. And then I am going to top this one off with some sunflower seeds. And there you have it. There is salad number 2, ready to roll. Okay, somehow when I washed out all my jars today, I managed to lose 2 of the lids. But here's one more, look at how delicious that looks. So that one's number 2. And then this one, I'm gonna add a layer of romaine in this one. So we have our lettuce, we have our tomatoes. I am going to add cucumbers to this one. So I'm gonna load up with veggies. I'm going to add peppers, anything that you guys like in your salad. Okay, remember this is Italian dressing. So now I've got some peppers in there. I'm going to add, since we didn't add the chicken on top, I'm gonna go ahead and add some garbanzo beans to this one. I'm gonna add a little bit of red onion. And then I am going to top it off with good old-fashioned cheddar cheese. And you see how I'm just really pushing that down. Look at, hi Lydia, doesn't this look yummy? All right, there you have it. So whatever you guys want to add on there, look at how quick that was. We just made 3 lunches. All right, we're gonna make these last 2. So this one, see, somehow I lost one of my mason jars. So same, dollar store jar, mason jar. Okay, this one is a Greek ranch dressing. So hey Larry, thanks for making the chicken and watching. So this is a Greek ranch dressing. I'm gonna tell you guys really quickly. It is 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, cilantro, 1 tablespoon of cilantro, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, and 1 clove of garlic chopped. and then some salt and pepper. This is delicious. So I am going to, you can come over for lunch anytime you want. Go ahead and dump this in. I really recommend this dressing. It is so yummy. So you can make your own dressings if you want. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in there. So this is going to be our Greek one. We're going to put our tomatoes in. I'm gonna go ahead and put romaine in this one. Like I said, lots and lots. I like to chop my romaine up pretty thin, but you can chop it however you want. Lots of romaine. Then we're going to go ahead and add quinoa, which is going to be a little challenging without a spoon. I am so sorry. I decided not to do it in my kitchen because I had a lot of chopped up veggies. This is really fun too. So anytime you have a little bit of veggies left over, you can go ahead and save them and just make a salad. Okay, so we have quinoa. I'm going to add cucumber. You could do this with spinach, you could do this with romaine. And I'm gonna add on top of this one, I'm gonna add some edamame. This one's loaded with protein. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of red onion. This one's gonna look really pretty too. And I am going to add feta. This one is going to taste really, and you see how I'm just pushing. Push down as hard as you can, pack it. Hi Cindy, thanks for watching. All right, so this one is, like I said, loaded with protein. All right, so we just made ourselves 4 lunches for the week. I'm gonna show you guys what this one looks like because it's really, really loaded. I don't know how well you can see that, but from my view, it looks delicious, and I'm really hungry, so I'm excited to eat these. Okay, last one. I'm trying to think what we didn't use. This one I'm going to make just a ranch salad. And I was thinking you could do BLT if you wanted, just plain old bacon lettuce tomato sandwich. So we've got ranch. I'm going to go ahead and add, let's pretend like I had more tomatoes, okay? I'm gonna add more tomatoes. I'm going to add, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add, this one I'm gonna do mixed greens again, because I really do like a mixture of greens in my salad. So I'm gonna go the mixed greens, and I'm going to do a layer of romaine. So whatever you guys like with your ranch dressing. I'm gonna go ahead, push that down. Lots and lots of lettuce in this one. All the way in. And then I'm gonna add some of these carrots. Chopped carrots from this leftover. That bag salad actually is a really great shortcut. Let's see, can you give the ingredients? Yes, for the Greek salad, it's Greek goddess dressing. It's 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon cilantro. You could use parsley, I use cilantro, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon of sour cream, 1 clove of garlic chopped, and salt and pepper. Super yummy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add chicken, because I do like chicken with my ranch dressing. I'm gonna add a lot of chicken. And I am also going to add a little bit of red onion in mine. Like I said, you guys add whatever you like. I like my red onion chopped super fine. I don't know if you guys can see this. Sorry about the mess here, but this happens. And I am going to load it with cucumbers. And then I'm going to top it off. I think I'm gonna add a little edamame to this because I think that would be really yummy. I'm pushing this down, making some room for my cheese. So once you guys have these made, like I said, they will stay good in your refrigerator for 5 days. So if you wanted to make this on Sunday night, you could technically have salad for the rest of the week. Let me move all this over. I'm gonna cap this up. And then when you are ready to eat it, literally all you need to do, okay, fun fact too, this is a lid from my hot fudge jar, which you could also recycle your jars if you guys wanted. So when you are ready to eat, all you want to do is turn your salad upside down about 5 minutes before you're ready to eat your lunch. And then you're going to want to just shake it up after you turn it upside down. Shake it a little bit. Grab your spoon, your fork, and you're ready to go. Wide mouth jars. Let me show you guys these. Let's see if you can see them. Look at how pretty these look. You see that? This one, and this one. This one, okay, well, this one would be a fun one to turn upside down too. I don't know if you guys can see that salad dressing going in there, but wide mouth jars probably would work a little bit better. These work just fine. Eat it right out of there, or you can go ahead and dump it right into on a plate or into your bowl, and you are good to go. So there you have it, you guys. I hope that this helps everybody eat a little healthier, because it is March into health, and like I said, salad season. Imagine if you had your garden and you had all this stuff growing in your garden, you just went ahead and chucked it all up in your garden and ate it. Possibilities are endless. Great way to use your leftovers. If you cook edamame, green beans, anything, you can just toss it all into one of these yummy jars and you are good to go. So let me know if you guys are making any of these, and let me know if you like them. And thanks for watching. Have a good night, and I will see you guys in a couple weeks. Bye. Thanks for watching.